Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode for the channel. Sorry, I've been really bad with the updates lately because I moved into a new house and I've just been crazy busy. So, how are you, dog? So, it's a sad day in the parish because the Laurel is going. It's going to a new home. Just had to kind of look at priorities and stuff, and time-wise, I just wasn't going to be able to do it. And yeah, look, I'm kind of sad that it's going, but it's going to a good home. It's a local lad up the road who's taking it. So, like, if I'm honest, I kind of lost interest in it when I had the issues with the engine, that all the stuff was wrong, and I was going to have to go and source a new engine for it, and I just kind of really just lost all momentum with this car. I want to have this totally, kind of standard as such, you know, original engine. Nothing really major except for, like, I wanted to put coilovers into it, S13 thing, just to improve the handling. But I wanted everything. I wanted the 6-cylinder A31 engine. They're hard to come by in Ireland, so I just kind of had to look at priorities, and unfortunately it's heading off to a new home. So actually what's making today an even Saturday as well for the parish is the fact that the Laurel is gone now, and the next car that is to leave is the Cef. Had it since 2012 and been through a lot with the car, blood, sweat, tears, but the time has come now to move it on, and I'll explain later why. But I'm actually really sad. I'm sad now that this car is leaving, because there's been a lot of stuff gone through with this thing. But sad day. What in the name of Jesus am I thinking? So as if we're moving into a house isn't stressful enough, and with things going the way they are, I've decided to take on something else. So I've bought myself another Cefiro. I regret it already.